The ball is at rest. Until the racket puts the ball in motion. When the player doesn't hit the ball with the racket, the ball still continues moving. Even in the case of the ball landing in the net, inertia is still in effect because the ball is stopped by something and has caused the tennis ball to stop its motion. In this case, the net. This law is one of the reasons tennis works the way it does. Without the ball continuing in motion until the other player can hit it back, the point would not be able to continue. Newton's first law states every object continues in a state of rest or of motion in a straight line at constant speed unless it is compelled to change that state by forces exerted upon it. The tennis ball bounces multiple times, but I can still hit it because it'll continue in motion until I get to it. When I got angry and hit the ball on the court, I hit it with more force, which caused the ball to go further. As you can see in all these clips, there are tennis balls still sitting on the court. These will not move because of what's stated in Newton's first law. These will be here until I move them and exert a force. In this video, we can see that my tennis coach is hitting balls with force because of how fast they are coming over the net. We know he is putting the ball into motion by hitting it with the racket. When my coach picks the ball up and feeds it to me, he is taking it out of its state of rest. Then he applies a force by hitting it. As you saw my coach serve, which is how you start a point, the ball will continue in motion over the net, then the player on the other side will hit it back, until the point ends with an out ball. Not only can we relate Newton's first law, the law of inertia, to tennis, the sport that I play, we can also relate it to baseball, the sport John plays. In the next video, you will see how Newton's first law relates to baseball.